Hi, I'm Nina and I've been playing clarinet for a month. So I'm going to show you how to put together a clarinet. So first, what you want to do if your clarinet is kind of hard to put together is you take cork grease, and if you don't have it, you should buy some. And then you put it around the corks. So you don't put it on the top, you just put it on the corks. And then you just put it down and put the cap on it. So this is the mouthpiece. It's where you blow through. Then you would take the next piece and you would do the same thing. If one of your pieces has two corks, do both of them because both of them connect to a part of the clarinet. Then, if your piece doesn't have a cork, like the bell and the part that attaches to the mouthpiece, just leave it and then put it on the last piece. And then make sure the cap is on and put it back where it goes. And that's how you use cork grease. So if you have a little compartment with cases with wood sticks in them, this is called a reed. So what you do, this might sound a little weird, but you have to lick it until it's super wet. Okay, so you loosen this up. And you kind of slide it up, but keep it on. And then you put the piece, the reed, in the back. And it has to be even, and it can't be backwards or upside down, or else the clarinet won't work. And then you tighten it. So you can save the air, just put the cap on it while you're putting your clarinet together. Then, so this part is the top. It has the 3 holes. And this is the bottom. So you put this part right here. And you twist it on. Don't twist it like all the way around. You just kind of squish it. And then the bell, squidge it on. This part makes the mouthpiece go on, so just don't put the mouthpiece like this or else it won't work. Believe me, I tried it the first time. And then you put on the mouthpiece. This is a clarinet book. It's called Standard of Excellence Comprehensive Band Method by Bruce Pearson. And it's book 1 of the clarinet. So when you come in, you'll have a little practice journal, and you can write down your assignments. So here's all the things that I taught you. Okay, so the first song I'll play is Au clair de la lune. It's a French folk song, and it's number 17 in the book. Next, I'll play Hot Cross Buns, which is the one above it. It's number 16. clarinet songs that I've been working on. After looking through the book and practicing clarinet, it's time to take it apart and clean it. So first what you need to do is you need to loosen up these screws. Lift this up, take the reed out, and you put it back in the case that it came from. You always want to put it in this way with the hard part on top, so when you take it out, you don't take out the soft part and break it. The reeds might break in about 3 weeks. And then you want to take this off and screw this off, put it back on, and then put the case on. Well, this part it needs the most cleaning because it's the closest to your mouth. So if you have a cleaner in your case, it should be in a little compartment right around here. So this is what my cleaner looks like. It has a string on it. The string is to pull it through. This part really can't be cleaned, but what you can do is you can put in your cloth and clean it out. And then put the case on and put it in the correct spot. Then what I do is sometimes I take it piece by piece, but you really should put it through here and do the whole clarinet. So you put your string through here until you could feel it at the bottom, and you grab the bottom right through here and pull it through. And then you roll up. It might be a little wet, so you might want to wash your hands after. So you roll it up and you put it in the case. The next part is taking apart your clarinet. So you should go from top to bottom. So you take off this piece and you put it in the hole right here. And then you take off this piece. So sometimes this piece, these two pieces, are hard to tell apart in the case.
Whoops.
So this one, the side for this one has a little, so it's tall here, and then it has a little ditch. So you could try this one, but it's really this one because this one has all these and it's bigger. And then this one goes in here, and the bell goes in the bell-shaped area. And then close up your clarinet when you're done. So one thing you need to know is to never keep the reeds in the clarinet or they could break. So that's my clarinet demonstration video.